Earn a fee in French translates to a challenge in English, and Défine is a social media platform that allows youth to take on challenges curated by others. 2019 demonstrated that challenges can grow into great things, such as a Teen Trees campaign that planted over 20 million trees in the span of a few months. This campaign originated from a challenge by the largely young community on social media. And knowing that over 50% of teenagers visit a social media site daily, it's clear that social media has a great influence over young people. Hence, we created Défine, a social media platform designed to use the power of social media and empowering the youth to make differences in our community.
The web app, we built a full-stack modern application. We started off by building a backend API that interacts with React. We also used the JSON Web Token for authentication. Basically, it's a challenge-creating application where you can register, log in, and manage challenges for the mobile application. So I'm going to try to log in as a user right now. So as you can see here, so basically this is our homepage where the current user can add challenges to their dashboard. So I'm going to add a new challenge, and I'm going to associate 20 points to it. So anyone who completes the challenge will get 20 points. So I'm going to add it. So right now it's been added to the challenges list. So anyone who is using the mobile version of this application will be able to see the challenge, and whoever finishes the challenge will basically be entitled to receive the points. So, and on the submission section, the user, which is me, when I created the challenge, I will be able to see all the users who have completed it and award them the necessary points. So now I can also log out, and I'm going to try to register a new user. So I'm going to put in my personal name, and I'm going to register. So yeah, so this is a different this is the dashboard of a different user. So right now, as you can see, there's no more challenges by this user. So now I'm going to have a look at the database. So right now, if I go to the users, here we can see I have three users right now. So this is Sam Smith, which is the initial user, and this is the new user that I just created. And then if I go to see the contacts, which is also the challenges, I can see here these are the two challenges that I have created from the user Sam Smith. We also use the context API to share specific forms of data across all levels of the application, and the React hook allows us to reuse stateful logic without changing the component hierarchy.
Users can find challenges from their feed or on the challenge search page. Beside the search tab, there's also an active tab, which lists out all the challenges the user is currently participating in. If we click a task, we can get a better description of the task and of the proof requirements. When we click the checkbox, the app will give us the option to either take or choose a photo to submit as proof. There's also the option to join the challenge chat, where participants can share their experience with the challenge task and also connect with others sharing the same passions for the community and the environment as them. Depending on the challenge, the winners are determined either by who completed all the tasks the fastest or who completed the most tasks in the most creative manner. The challenge process starts with a challenge organizer.
When a challenge is complete and all submissions are verified, a leaderboard appears that shows the winners, who gain more exposure in the Défine community. Some challenges may also choose to award prizes to the top participants, both of which provide incentive for the users to continue or begin to join these challenges.
To emulate a social media platform, we added profiles for users where they follow others and see active challenges users are participating in. We've also added links to other social media sites which post this desire to do well in challenges and gain an online presence for doing good for the community and the environment.
Each challenge on Défine consists of tasks that help out the community and or the environment. Users check off these tasks by submitting proof of their completion, which can be an image or a video. This proof is sent to the judges, who then review the submissions and decide whether to accept or reject them.